As you can see here, we've got two bar stools with just the caning as seats, and this one here is kind of loose and kind of starting to try to come out of here. And like I said, she's had this repaired before and she just doesn't want to deal with this anymore. So we're going to leave that in, but what we're going to do is we're going to make a seat to go on the top of this that comes and leaves a little bit of the wood to be seen around the top. So it'll come in here, you know, basically about 1/4 of an inch recess, and it'll be a upholstered board with leather. So it'll make kind of like a slip seat on top of this bar stool and make it much more comfortable and much more lasting. Okay, the way I did this one was to mark the edge of the board instead of just trying to draw the lines out where I wanted to go, because it's harder to do that more accurately, but it's really accurate to just follow the line of a board. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to trim off and I'll trim inside how much I want to see the wood. Okay, judging by my pattern, it looks pretty good, except that it looks like I probably took a little off here that I didn't need to. So when I get over there and put this on my board, I'll know in this area, about here, just kind of, you know, or kind of feather it off from about in here, a little more in there. Notice here that I'm careful to not allow the bracket to get above the frame and make sure it stays level or even a hair below the frame. Be sure to like and subscribe and to hit that notification bell for future videos.